Tarot and planetary predictions for 2026 for Aquarius. So firstly, we have the Star card, which is deeply connected to Aquarian energies. So here in 2026, you are going to heal, realign, and trust the future again. Over the last few years, you might have felt stuck. There could have been blockages internally or even from external forces. You could have been disillusioned because till this year we had 9 months of Neptune, which was ruling your overall horoscope. So this could have made you detached from people or purpose, and you were always hoping for change but unsure when it would arrive. So this particular tarot card tells that hope is not lost, it is being renewed, and this year brings that emotional and spiritual healing, and all that you've been waiting for till now is going to get renewed, and it's going to happen this year. You are also going to get more faith in yourself and a clearer sense of direction. So you begin to believe again, and that belief becomes your power. Next, we have the Queen of Cups. So here, more of a nurturer card, new emotional beginnings. Your relationships can become more solidified, and we also have more luxury coming into your life. And we are also having more riches and multiple sources of income. And this card also denotes healing of old emotional wounds. So if you're looking for a commitment or a new relationship, it can happen during the eclipse time and in and around September, October 2026. So this year, creativity will flow naturally to you, relationships will deepen, and life begins to feel more supportive. So anyone in the creative field, art related field, entertainment, music, dance will perform exceptionally well in 2026. You are going to get global fame, and there's going to be stability in family matters and emotional comfort coming to you. You attract abundance by allowing and not chasing. Some of the cosmic alignments affecting Aquarius in 2026. So we have Jupiter from 26th of May 2026, which activates your 7th house, which is mainly governing partnerships and relationships. So this brings more people in the picture, more growth through your social circle, and you're going to be somebody who is going to get that global fame. So there can be important collaborations that can happen. Marriage or committed relationship opportunities will arise, and the right people will enter your life at the right time. We also have Saturn, the planet of structure and discipline, almost throughout the year in your 2nd house. So again, this will motivate you to work more harder, and you can do multiple targets, like you can have multiple goals and you will be able to do all of them at the same time. Reality also checks around money and self-worth in and around March 2026, so beware. There needs to be discipline in finances, and long-term financial stability has to be built from now. You will also start to learn to value yourself and your resources more seriously. We also have eclipse impacting August and September 2026, which mainly talks about your role in your family. So more values, more self-worth, you're going to be a strength to your family, and there's going to be a shared responsibility there, more emotional depth coming in 2026. Avoid family decisions during the eclipse time, and you can wear aquamarine for elevating your financial status, because like I said, you need to track your expenses consciously, and aquamarine also governs the throat chakra.